How to verify your phone number on Signal. Verification is the wall that keeps hackers out of your private conversations. During the setup process, Signal needs to confirm that your phone number is actually yours. This guide shows you how to handle the phone verification step smoothly. After you enter your phone number, wait for a text message from Signal. It will contain a 6-digit verification code. Switch back to the Signal app and type the code into the boxes provided. On iPhone, you can often just tap the code as it appears in the From Messages suggestion bar above the keyboard for a seamless one-tap entry. If the SMS does not arrive after a minute, don't worry. Tap I didn't get a code and select the Call Me option. An automated system will call your phone and read the code out loud to you. Make sure you have a pen ready so that you can remember the numbers. Verification complete. Your account is now officially yours. Like and subscribe for more Signal troubleshooting guides.